Internet, this is Benedek here, very welcome to my channel. Now in today's episode I'm going to deal with a very new feature of Unity. It's called Universal Render Pipeline. Universal Render Pipeline is very beneficial because with using it you can easily create optimized graphics for mobiles, high-end consoles and PCs, and it lets you use the VFX shader graphs, which is amazing since you don't have to deal with scripting all of your shaders, but instead you can easily create shaders with these shader graphs. So that's just amazing. And also it's a very important feature that it has built-in post-processing effects. So you don't have to use third-party libraries for that, but whenever you install URP for any of your Unity projects, then you will be able to use post-processing effects just like that, and also it lets you to create an optimized graphics for all of the platforms basically. And it was firstly called Lightweight Render Pipeline, but it was renamed to Universal because the standard built-in render pipeline will be outdated and they would like to replace it. So it is meant to be a replacement of the standard built-in render pipeline. Okay, so let's go into Unity Hub. And today I would like to show you how to upgrade currently existing Unity project with this URP. So today I'm going to show you how to update a currently existing Unity project which was created using URP. So here is our simple sample project, and make sure you create it with this version. Okay, we need to just open it up. Okay, Unity editor is just open and with this project, and as you can remember, we created last time this main menu, and here is our game scene. Now it's currently empty, so let's do something here just for demonstration purpose, just for showing something. I will probably create a plane. Remember, double click on it, we'll just get focus to this. Okay, and probably we would like to, zero it out. And probably now the main camera will see it, as you can see, yes. And probably if we are using the, okay, so now we can see it actually. Probably I would like to rotate on the x-axis, okay. And probably we would like to create material for this, so just right click, create material. Let's say something like plane mat. Okay, just drag and drop it if it lets us do it. Or if now, we should drag and drop it here. Okay. Yes, because I want it, yes, so it's not the scene view, but in the game view. Okay, so in the scene view, I could drag and drop it actually. No worries. Okay. If I go to the asset store, just try to bring in some assets. So there are some issues with upgrading a currently existing project to a project which uses URP, so this Universal Render Pipeline. So I would like to show you the issues that can come up and how to resolve them. So that's why I would like to bring in some assets like this fruit package. I love it. You can just download it. It's absolutely free. So I'm going to just import it. I would like to bring in some other food package as well, just to have many different food packages here with different materials. Yeah, because there can be an issue when upgrading a project which doesn't create it with URP, and if the materials of specific game objects are not so easy to upgrade to URP. Cool. No, just bring in some food from these packages. So under the free food package, I can see there is a prefabs folder, and just bring in some prefabs like these drinks, or but of course not to the game, but the scene view. Okay, and let's just scale it up a little bit. Okay, now we can see it. and bring in burger and banana, and if we select multiple, we can upscale them like that. Okay, and I would like to them a little bit up. Okay. Well, they can actually floating, so the problem if they are not on the ground, because it's just a sample scene. Okay. But I would like to change these directions. Okay. I mean the angle they are showing off. Okay. I guess that's okay. That's enough now. So we can see that there are actually some game objects with special materials. Okay, nothing very difficult. I just hit Ctrl S to save it. And now I would like to just upgrade this project to use Universal Render Pipeline. I can do it by clicking Window, Package Manager, and first I have to install that package from Unity. So Universal RP, this is the name of the package. Here we go. We can hit install. Okay, here we go. It's just installed in our project. So now we can just use it. So just right click in here in the assets folder, create a new renderer. So rendering, universal render pipeline, and we are going to create a new pipeline asset, a forward renderer. Yes, okay, and here we go. We have our universal render pipeline, but we are not using it actually. Go under the edit build settings. No, not build and run, but build settings. Player settings. We are looking for graphics, and as you can see here under the script render pipeline asset, it's currently empty. So hit that little circle, and we can change it to our universal render pipeline asset. Now we are using it actually. And as you can see, there are the issues I was talking about. So actually everything is turned now to with a kind of pink color. So what we have to do now is we can go for edit, render pipeline, universal render pipeline, and here is an option, upgrade project materials to universal RP materials, and we have to proceed it. However, it probably won't change to every material because these are having custom materials. So only this material was changed. The one is used on the main, but of course we can hit re-import all to see whether it helps or not. So it's great to see if just a re-import is enough to tackle this issue, or we have to do some further changes. Okay, so as you can see, we have tried it to re-import all, but it just doesn't seem to work. So here we have to go to the assets folder and try to manually upgrade the materials of these game objects. So go under this free food package, and as you can see, all of these are turned pink. So here is a folder called materials, and as you can see here we have a material which has a custom shader. Now that's the problem because we have to use the universal render pipelines shaders. So let's say something like simple lit shader, and now of course we cannot see the texture, but under here of course it can vary on which asset package you use, but in most cases there is a textures folder, and here you can just go and bring this to the base map to there. And actually, if you assign it, you can see that they are looking the exact same, or almost the exact same they looked before. Of course, you can use the author vein to, or you can just play around with them, try to achieve better looking result. And of course, let's say that probably baked lit is better, or no. Okay, so just play around with it. As you can see, if I hit the unlit version, it will be more brighter, of course, but you can just really try to see which is the best, suits you the best. Okay, so here we go, guys. That's it for today's episode. I hope you like this. If so, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and hit that little notification bell to be notified when I release a new video. And that's it. Be safe out there. Bye.